So can you show me the screenshot of the error? Can you show me the screenshot of the error?
Sir, I will take in mobile only, sir.
Okay.
Can I
So,
share it in mobile, WhatsApp,
no,
sir?
no. I have got the. Okay. So your error is global company KINT is not supported. That is the thing
Yes,
on it.
yes, sir.
Or else you can just go to the transaction code FB. What is the thing that you are doing right now? Customer invoice, right? Okay, go to the
Yes,
transaction
sir.
FB70. Now we will see. Go to the transaction code FB70. Go
Yes,
to the
sir.
transaction code FB70. Okay. Okay. So can you maximize the screen?
Yes.
Hmm. Give the customer an invoice it. Now we will see the error. So I'm enter the customer.
Sir.
Enter the customer here.
Here, sir.
Yeah.
Act- I will take
Okay.
in,
Okay.
sir. This one, sir.
Yeah. 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 This is getting. Okay. And give the amount that you want. Okay. Come down. Yeah. Come down. Yes. And give your GL account. That is sales account. Hmm. Yeah. Go to the simulate option, and you can just try to post the save button. Okay. So there is no item category that is assigned to account 300 KIOC. I mean, document splitting is not done at all. Okay, and go to the another screen. Yeah, this is document splitting error. Go to the transaction code SM30, and we need to deactivate the document splitting. Then when we do the configuration of the document splitting, and we will come back to the document splittings, and we will give the those GL accounts, I mean, which was assigned to the account group SM3030, not the 1330, SM3030. Click on the enter. Huh. Click on the enter. In the table I will post the, I mean, one thing in chat box. Can you just take out the thing? and copy that thing, and you can just go to the SAP screen, and in the table or view you can just give that one. I mean, this is how we are going to calculate the document splitting. Okay, that is very, very important. Ma'am, go to the SAP screen.
Okay.
Yeah, in the table view only, you can just give remove the V underscore 001 underscore B. Okay, give V underscore FAGL underscore split underscore act. Yeah, go to the maintain option. Here there will be a maintain option. Here there will be a maintain option. Yes, maintain that one. Yeah, go to the position and give your company code. And you can just inactivate the document splitting. Huh. Inactivate the document splitting. Go to the save button and save it. Go to the continue option. Yes, very good. You can just give the slash n. Okay, go to the transaction code FB70. Go to the transaction code FB70. Yes. Here, go to the simulate option. You have entered each and everything, right? Go to the simulate option. No worries. Go to the post. Yeah. Okay. Remove the.
So
Go to
Mali,
the slash n. No issue. Go to the slash n, and again come back to the FB70. Close this session. Close this session. మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ వచ్చేద్దాం FB70కి, అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మనం పోస్ట్ చేసేద్దాం. ఓకే, ఎంటర్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. Yeah, simulate that one. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, global company KINT is not supported. Okay, so open this one. Global company KINT is not supported. Okay, and first we need to check with one transaction code, that is OBY6, whether we have assigned all these companies in the transaction code OBY6. I mean, automatically when we assign the company to the company code, automatically the system will not throw you an error. But when we when we not assign this company to the company code, automatically error will come. Okay, I think so. You can just check with OBY6, then go to the transaction code OX15, and we need to create the company. Then we need to assign the company to the company code in transaction code OX16. Okay, no worries. Yeah. OBY6. And go to the position and go to the position here. Yeah, open that one. Double click on this. Okay, here company is assigned. So we are getting the company. But when it comes to the OX15 transaction code, I think in the OX15 transaction code, there is no company. I think so. You can just go to the transaction code OX15, or else if we don't have that one, we can define it. Okay, otherwise, if it if it is in the database, we can just go to the transaction code OX16, then we can assign it. Go to the OX15 and go to the position. Yes, and give your company KINT. KINT. Yes, click on the continue option. See, there is no any company that is created in transaction code OX15. Okay, so that is why the system is throwing you an error. Okay, you can just go to the new entries and we will going to create it. Go to the new entries. Go to the new entries. Okay, give the company as KINT and company name is KINT. KINT. Okay, in global parameters, we have found that company name is KINT. Okay, and here give the company name. Give the company name. Okay, and give the street also. Give the street also. No worries. Take out the things. Give the post office box also. No. Post office box is that city. Postal code is different. Post office box is Kamagadda. Okay, go to the Kamagadda. And sorry, give the Kamagadda.
The street name Kamagadda Street, sir. Post box number
And what is your city?
Madanpalli, sir.
Yeah, give the Madanpalli. PALI. Okay, postal code, give anything. Okay, good. And give the city also. Madanpalli. And give the country. IN. And language key is EN. Okay, and give the currency as INR. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Okay, go to the save button and save it. Yeah. Okay, right now we have created the company. Okay, you can just go to the transaction code OX02 also, whether the system has the data and all. If the system has no data on the OX02 transaction code, then we will going to define it. Okay, no worries. Go to the transaction code OX02. Yeah, click on the enter. Go to the position and give your company code as KINT. I think so. KINT. KINT. Okay, automatically it is. Okay. Yeah, double click on that one. KINT. Yes, it is there. Madanpalli city also. Okay, give the /n and you can just go to the transaction code OX16. Okay, go to the position and give your company code also. Give your company code. Click on the enter.
The company ఇక్కడ KNT అని వచ్చింది సార్.
ఓకే, కంపెనీ కోడ్ అసైన్ అయిపోయింది కదా, సేమ్.
కంపెనీ కోడ్ అసైన్ అయింది సార్, బట్ కంపెనీలో KINTనే చూపిస్తుంది సార్.
అవును, కేఐఎన్టీనే మనం ఇప్పుడు అసైన్ చేయాలి కదా. సో కేఐఎన్టీ అనేది క్రియేట్ కాలేదు OX 15లో. ఓకేనా
సార్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ రెండు ఒకటే.
మీరు కంపెనీ అండ్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ రెండు ఒకటే ఇచ్చారు. ఓకేనా OBY6లో అంటే మీ గ్లోబల్ పారామీటర్స్లో మీ డేటా అంతా సేమ్ ఉంది. కంపెనీ కోడ్ కేఐఎన్టీ, కంపెనీ కేఐఎన్టీ, అందుకనే నేను కంపెనీ కేఐఎన్టీని క్రియేట్ చేయించాను. అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే
ఓకే, గో టు ద సేవ్ బటన్ అండ్ సేవ్ ఇట్. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకుందాం, రీచెక్. గో టు ద OBY6, గో టు ద OBY6 /n OBY6. Okay, go to the position and give your company code. Okay, go to the continue option and double click on the Kiran group of companies. See here, our company is KINT, so that is why I am creating the so we have created the KINT as company. Okay, then next here company code is same thing, right? KINT. Okay, very good. Yeah, go to the FB50 transaction code. Go to the FB50 transaction code.
FB50 FD
Sorry, FB70 customer. Come on. Yeah, take out the chair. Go to the simulate. Click on the enter. Go to the simulate option. Right now it is taking. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, is it clear, ma'am?
Yes sir.
Okay, మీకు అర్థమైపోయింది కదా ఎర్రర్ రిజల్యూషన్?
Yes sir.
Okay, right.